Hello, I'm gonna present to you how to create a bibliography in Microsoft Word. I am gonna use Word 2010 plus the same procedure in Word 2016 and Word 2019. Let's consider the document at hand. First, we have to specify where our citation is gonna be placed. Let's consider here. Then we go to References and then Insert Citations. Okay. In the Insert Citations, we're gonna add a new source. Here, the source is gonna be according to the type where you brought your citation. For instance, now we're gonna take an example of a book. Let's say that this book is written by Johnny Famer. Title: How to Write a Bibliography, year 2020, London, United Kingdom, publisher Adventure Works, press, for instance, edition 2. As you can see here, Word will give you a tag. Of course, tag, it is part of the name here that you have specified. Now let's press OK. OK. Now we have one, and it says it is the one that has the tag John. Now if we can see, still we don't have anything. So how to add the bibliography? First, let's create a new page. Then go back to references. Let's choose the style of IEEE, for instance. And then in bibliography, we're gonna choose this one. Et voila. Now we have a bibliography that is written here inside our document. Okay, let's take this one. Now let's try to insert another one so that we can see how this could be affecting the bibliography that we have already made. Let's put another source. It is another book. It is written, for instance, by me. I don't know. I didn't write it yet. 2020, New York, United States of America. Publisher also, it's Adventure Works Press, and it's my first edition, for instance. Okay, now it says it's Sue. Okay, now we go down to bibliography, and of course we press here update, and now our citation is added to our bibliography. If we made some mistake, we can always go up here and press manage sources. In the manage sources, as you can see, we have the first book, we have the second book, we have. So if I made some mistakes, I can go in like here and edit, change whatever I have written wrong. Okay, same here. It's gonna help me change if I made anything wrong. If we could look here on the left side, we could see all the previous citation that we have used in different documents so far. So if there is a citation that we used regularly, we can just move things from one place to another. If we notice here, we can see very important. This one is used. This one is used, while this one it is not used inside my document. So now, if I go down, okay, and say update, it's gonna give me the citation, but it's not yet referenced here in my document. So you have to make sure sometimes that you don't add citations that you don't need anymore. Okay, removed, update, and it is gone. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming soon.